Assalamu alaikum students of class 6. I hope you are all doing well and keeping your spirits high in this COVID-19 situation. Let's start our lecture with Grammar Today, Book 6. And the topic we need to discuss today is articles. Let's learn about the articles first and then we'll try to solve our exercise from the book. So there are three articles actually: a, an, the. The articles a, an, and the are determiners used before nouns and sometimes adjectives. Let's see how they act as a determiner of our nouns and adjectives. So, a comes before singular nouns that begin with the consonant sound. For example, a rat, a unit, a xylophone. An comes before singular nouns that begin with a vowel sound or a mute H. So, we are all aware of vowel sounds because we know vowel letters like A, E, I, O, and U. For example, an adult, an X-ray, an iris. So, word X-ray does not start with vowel letter but possess vowel sound like X-ray. So, a or an, these are indefinite articles and are used to speak of someone or something for the first time. And we also use these when we generally talk about something. While the is a definite article used to point out a noun. We use the when a person, place, animal, or thing is mentioned a second time. For example, we have a test tomorrow. We want to do well in the test. So when test is mentioned second time, we used the before it. We also use the when it is clear which person, place, animal, or thing is being referred to. For example, we had two glass jars, a red one and an amber one. This is the red one and this is the amber one. The amber jar was very expensive. So for particularly pointing out the amber jar, we use the before it. We also use the when there is only one such thing. For example, the moon, the sun. So these were our articles. We have the topic articles on page 27 in our book, where first question is fill in the blanks with a, an, or the. We'll learn use of articles in this exercise. So the first blank is I had dash egg. Egg, a word that begins with a vowel sound. We'll write an before egg. A slice of bread. Here we have a word that begins with consonant sound. And an apple for the breakfast. I play dash guitar and my brother plays dash drums. We have learnt about the use of the, as we use it most of the time to talk about a particular thing or when a noun represents a whole class. Here we'll use the before guitar and drums. French is an easy language to learn. Again, a word that begin with a vowel sound. Here we have another example on number 17. Alexander Pope said that an honest man. Here the letter used here in honest is a consonant, but the sound it produces is a vowel. चूँकि इसकी sound vowel है honest, तो हम यहाँ पर एन का इस्तेमाल करेंगे। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज इंसर्ट अ, एन और द वेयर नीडेड एंड रीराइट दीज सेंटेंसेस। अब हमें नीचे दिए गए सेंटेंसेस में अ, एन और द को इंसर्ट करना है, ऐड करना है और एक प्रॉपर कंप्लीट सेंटेंस बनाना है। We will learn the use of a, an or the, or we can say articles in sentences. Here the first sentence was eye for eye makes whole world blind. This sentence looks incomplete without articles. Let's see how the articles complete the sentence. An eye for an eye makes the world blind. With the correct use of articles, the sentence seems proper and complete. Let's have a look on another example. We met group of tourists from Japan as we were walking to cave. We met a group of tourists from Japan as we were walking to the cave. In ancient Greece, all best athletes competed in Olympics. In ancient Greece, all best athletes competed in the Olympics. So we need to understand and remember all the minute details about the use of a, an, or the, and we will able to solve this exercise. Now we have the last question, and in this again we need to put suitable articles in the blanks. Here we have a brief information or a brief story about the Trojan War. Read the story, learn about the Trojan War along with the placement of articles. Once upon a time, there was a Greek king named Menelaus. His wife Helen was the most beautiful woman in the world. Here we used the before most beautiful woman in the world, as we also use the when there is only one of something. जब हमने बहुत सारी चीज़ों में से किसी एक स्पेसिफिक चीज़ को पॉइंट आउट करना हो तब हम द का इस्तेमाल करते हैं. सो दिस इज़ हाउ यू कैन सॉल्व दिस एक्सरसाइज टू. Just get to know about the correct use of articles and you will be able to solve any kind of exercise related to articles. That was all for today. That was all about articles. Thank you so much, students. Goodbye.